Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back again to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, let's take a look at the Huawei Nova Y71, a budget-friendly smartphone that was released in June 2023. But the question is this phone worth buying? Let's find it out. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. The Huawei Nova Y71 is a part of the Y series lineup, which is aimed at young consumers who want a large screen, a long-lasting battery, and a decent camera. The phone has a 6.75-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, which is okay in this price range. The display also has a refresh rate of 60Hz, which means it's not very smooth or responsive, but we need to consider its price as well. The phone has a plastic body with a glossy finish, and it comes in two different colors, black and gold. The phone weighing 199 grams and measuring 9mm in thickness. At the bottom, there's a USB-C port, one microphone, a speaker grill, and a 3.5 headphone jack. A power button integrated with a fingerprint scanner and a volume rocker at the right side, and another one microphone on top for noise cancelling. Moving on to the performance, the Huawei Nova Y71 is powered by the Kirin 710A, a 14nm chipset with a clock speed of up to 2.0 GHz and Mali G51 MP4 GPU, which is good enough to handle some basic applications and games as well. The phone has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 512GB with a micro SD card. The phone runs on EMUI 12, which is Huawei's custom skin based on Android 10. You can also download most of the applications you needed in the Huawei app gallery. Now under the hood, the Huawei Nova Y71 has a triple camera setup on the back, consisting of a 48MP main camera, a 5MP ultra-wide, and a 2MP depth sensor at the backside. The camera performance is decent in good lighting conditions, but it struggles sometimes in low light situations. But you will get multiple options here like night mode, portrait, high-res, pro mode, slow motion, panorama, light painting, and time-lapse. The main camera lacks of features like optical image stabilization or OIS or zoom capability. The front-facing camera is an 8MP selfie shooter which can take acceptable selfies and video calls. The Huawei Nova Y71 has a massive 6000 mAh battery which can easily last for 2 days of moderate usage. The phone also supports 22.5 watts fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 50% in about 40 minutes. One of the good things of this battery also is supports reverse charging capabilities using via USB-C. The Huawei Nova Y71 is priced at 749 dirhams here in Dubai, which makes it one of the cheapest phone with a large battery and screen size. However, the phone also has some drawbacks like an outdated processor, a low resolution display, and a mediocre camera system. But still, I would recommend this phone for a secondary device or for those who need a big battery life, big display, fast charging, and a good price. Alright guys, so that's it for today's review of the Huawei Nova Y71. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.